Hey everyone, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to boost your productivity. Whether it's powering through study sessions or managing your time like a pro, I've got some gadgets here that can seriously upgrade your efficiency game. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the digital notepad. Forget about scrambling for paper or dealing with messy notes. This gadget is a game changer for any student. It digitally captures your handwriting and converts it into text. Plus, you can easily search your notes with a tap. Imagine flipping through virtual pages to find exactly what you need in seconds. Game changer, right? Now, let's talk about noise-canceling headphones. Whether you're in a bustling cafe or your noisy dorm, these headphones help you zone out from distractions and zone in on your studies. It's like having your own personal bubble that's all about focus. And trust me, once you try them, there's no going back. Moving on, ever heard of a Smartpen? This isn't just any pen, it records audio as you write, syncing your notes with the recording. So during review, just tap on a part of your notes and you can hear exactly what was being discussed at that moment. It's perfect for those long lectures where you need to catch every detail. And don't forget about the productivity apps that can be paired with these gadgets. Apps like Evernote or Notion can seamlessly integrate with your digital notepad and Smartpen, making it easier than ever to organize your life and studies. Lastly, consider a good old-fashioned planner, but with a twist. Digital planners can be used on tablets and are incredibly versatile. You can drag and drop tasks, set reminders, and even share your schedule with friends or group project members. It's your entire academic life, digitalized and simplified. So there you have it, folks. These gadgets aren't just cool tech, they're your partners in crushing those academic goals. Whether it's through better organization, enhanced focus, or simply keeping better notes, upgrading your gadget game might just be the boost you need. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making the most of every minute. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to being more productive than ever before.